Hello everyone, this is Shagufta and welcome to my channel. My today's dish is stuffed roast chicken, which is a dry roast. It's a very simple recipe and a great dish to have when you're entertaining, as it looks appealing and tastes amazing. Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my upcoming videos. So now let's proceed to the kitchen. This is a complete list of ingredients that we will be needing. List of ingredients is also in the description box below. So now let's start with marinating the chicken. We will first mix the dry ingredients which are required for the marinade as well as the stuffing. So that's 1.5 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds powder, that's soft, and 2 tablespoons coriander powder. We mix this well and keep aside 2 teaspoons for the mincemeat stuffing. Now we take 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste in a bowl. To this we add the prepared dry masala, half teaspoon dry ginger powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, 3 teaspoon red chili powder, and salt to taste. We give this a good mix. To this we add 3 tablespoons lemon juice and half cup coriander leaves. We have taken 1 kg chicken. We place the chicken on tissue and rub it well to remove all the excess moisture. Removing the excess moisture will ensure we get a crisp crust. Now we make deep breaks with a fork below the skin of the chicken. We'll try not to tear the skin as much as possible. We keep the skin on as it has fats which prevents the chicken from drying and keeps the meat tender and moist. Now we'll start marinating the chicken. We'll rub the marinade below the skin. Now we'll take 4 tablespoons butter and we'll rub the butter below the skin in the similar way that we have rubbed the marinade. We'll put pieces of butter in different places. Now chicken is marinated, we'll cover it and keep it in the fridge overnight. So now we move to preparing the stuffing. So we heat 4 tablespoons of oil and add 1 small chopped onion to it. Now we'll keep frying the onion till it is soft and translucent. We won't brown it. So now that the onion looks soft, we will add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon green chili paste. We'll fry the ginger garlic and chili paste for 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll add 1 chopped tomato, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, and salt to taste. We'll fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes till the tomatoes turn soft. As we can see, the tomatoes look soft now. So we'll add 250 grams of mincemeat to this. And we'll mix it well. We'll cook this on high heat because we just need to dry the mincemeat. And we'll keep cooking it till the oil separates. So now that we see the oil on the sides, we'll add the 2 teaspoon dry masala that we had kept aside. And we'll keep cooking on high heat till the mincemeat is dry. Now we'll start stuffing the chicken. We remove the chicken from the fridge an hour or 2 before cooking so that it comes to room temperature. We start stuffing the chicken alternatively with the mincemeat and the chickpeas. I have taken 1 cup pre-cooked chickpeas. You can even soak chickpeas overnight and boil them. We press the stuffing inside to fill in as much as possible. After this, we'll start sewing the chicken from one side and we'll sew the toned skin as well. We need to have the chicken completely covered with the skin. The thread can be removed before serving, and it's very easy to remove the thread after the chicken is cooked. So we have sewed the chicken from one side. Now we move to the other end. We put some more stuffing into the chicken, and whatever excess skin we can see, we'll just push it inside. And then we'll sew up this end as well. At this point, we can keep the oven to preheat at 180 degrees centigrade. We'll take a baking dish and we'll grease it with butter. We'll put a layer of thick slices of onion on top. Now we'll put the chicken on top of the onions and tie the legs together. We'll take 3 tablespoons of melted butter and brush the butter liberally on all the sides of the chicken. Now the chicken is ready to be put in the oven. So we'll lightly cover it with foil and put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 1 hour 10 minutes. After around 35 to 40 minutes, we'll remove the chicken, turn it and add the balanced stuffing. We'll put it back in the oven without the foil for the remaining 30 minutes. Our chicken is now done and we remove the chicken on another dish and we'll grill it for another 8 to 10 minutes till the skin turns crisp. The balanced sauce in the tray can be blended as a sauce and the chicken can be served with this sauce. This chicken can even be served with a sprinkling of chaat masala powder like a charkha chicken or garlic paste or hummus as an accompaniment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.